Praman. Good afternoon students. Today we will find standard deviation, that is Praman Vichalan. For this we have given class intervals and frequency. We have to write this according to this sequence. After that we have to find out D, this deviation. For this we have to consider the group, and from that group we have to calculate the deviation. From upper side the values are having the same distance, that is +1, +2, +3, +4, and below -1, -2, -3, -4. This deviation we have considered for calculation in calculation of mean. At the time of mean we have to find out how to calculate the mean by Grunita Madhyama method. So that method we can use here. After that we have to take the multiplication of f and d. We have to multiply these both values, that is 2 multiplied by 4. According to that we will get fd. This is the column where we have to get f multiplied by d. So after this, about the 0 values, all the values are in positive. So we have to add these numbers separately, and below, as the sign is minus, these values are in minus. So 65 value is bigger, so we have to minus this value 39 from the 65, and our summation of every value we will get, that is 26, which is positive. After that we have to do the last calculation, that is fd into d. We will get fd square. Here we have to multiply this d column with this fd column. So we will get these values. Again we have to add these all values, and summation of del fd square we will get the value, that is 224. Our formula for standard deviation is equal to I divided by n, square root of n into summation of fd square minus in bracket summation fd bracket whole bracket square. So we have to put up the values. I, that is deviation, class interval is 10, which is equal to 10 divided by 80, square root of 80 plus 80 into 224 minus summation of fd, that is 26. We have to write the value and we have to square that value. So after that we have to first take the square of 26, that is 676. We have to multiply 80 into 224, that is 1700, 920. We have to minus this value from this value. We will get 17,244. For this you have to square root of this. You can use this method which we have learned in 7th standard. From this, the value, we have to put up the value, that is 1 into 131.3 divided by 8, and standard deviation we will get 16.40.